What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. Before we start doing mods to my truck, something we gotta take care of right away: the maintenance. So we're gonna go ahead and do an oil change today, get everything nice and running, and then we'll start doing mods to this truck. My homie Frank is actually gonna be the one helping me out do this oil change, so we're gonna go ahead and go over to his house right quick. So let's go ahead and chill on this truck. It's freaking hot in here. It's a nice hot day, Southern California, but gotta get stuff done. We're gonna let the truck warm up a little bit, and we'll go from there. So here's the oil that we're gonna be using for today. It's the Mobile 1 Extended Performance, full synthetic, 10W30. It takes like 5.7 quarts to fill up the oil. So we got a little small one, we got a little big one over there, and then see if it focuses. We got the oil filter right here. So we're gonna go ahead and head over to my friend Frank's house and get this started with. So guys, the first issue that we've had to deal with this truck so far is like on last Friday when I was driving it back home from Rialto. I was driving and I had the AC going, not too high, not too low, like just in the middle. And out of nowhere, my truck started blowing out hot air instead of cold air, but it was only from the driver's side, which is kind of weird. But the passenger side was still cold, so I looked up a video, and I guess it's I don't know if it's common, but it's an issue with these trucks. So hopefully we'll be able to get that fixed today too. We're gonna check it out and we'll go from there. So yeah, guys, I haven't really tried the AC since this happened, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a try, see if it comes out cold or not, and if not, we're gonna have to see what's the issue with that. So let's turn it on. I'm touching it right here. Jeez. It's still blowing out. Let's give it some time to see if it gets a little cold or not. Right now it's still shooting out hot air, so oh, the air is coming out hot. So looks like we're gonna have to check that issue out, see if it gets any cold, see if we can get it to go cold again. But right now it's still hot, so that sucks. Especially living in California, it's too freaking hot around here. What's up, guys? So here's the things we've done to the truck so far. We polished the headlights, make them look a little more clear. They were freaking foggy as hell. Then we went ahead and changed the oil. It was still pretty decent, but might as well get it done. And the drain plug was actually all fucked up, so we ended up changing that. And then we're gonna end up changing these tires. As you can see, they're pretty freaking worn. So we're gonna go ahead and throw the tires and rims on right now. So here they are. They're 22s, TBSs. It's gonna make the truck look pretty sick. What's up, guys? This is the next day, so I'm gonna be showing you how the TBSs actually look on the truck. When we finished putting them on, it was too dark, so I wanted to wait till today to show you guys how it looks. Alright, guys, so here it is. This is how it looks like with the TBS rims on. Still at a the height's not too bad, but hopefully we'll be getting the truck drop soon. It's kind of dark, so I'm gonna go over it though. So here's a better look at it. The TBSs are 22s on 305s by 40 by 22. So you can see it changes the look of the truck completely. It's starting to look more like troqueando than just a good old work truck, you know. So yeah guys, here it is. Tell me how you guys like the look of it. It's gonna look a lot better once I actually drop it. So, and if you guys haven't noticed, yes, I did get it tinted. No more fishbowl. So what I ended up doing was getting this medium grade film, but it was 3%. So if you guys can't tell, it's pretty dark. I think it's a little bit darker than limo. Here's the back of it. I'll go over to the other side. Here it is right here. The other side of it. You can see the sun's hitting it and you still can't really see too much inside, which I wanted. So I'm pretty happy with the tint. One thing that I debated was whether or not if I should get the front tinted or not. I actually did not end up getting it, but I wanted to, but actually my windshield has a little crack. You really can't, it looks like it's kind of tinted right here on the camera because it's in the shade, but I did not get the front windshield tinted. But as you can see, the sides and the back actually make it a little darker than how can I say it makes it look like it is, but it actually isn't. But the front is not tinted. See, this is how it looks like from the inside. If you compare this video to my other video, it's a lot more darker in here now. See, you can still see pretty good. At night it's kind of hard because it freaking, when I was trying to back it up yesterday, it was hella dark, so I really couldn't see. And I had just gotten the window tint, so I couldn't put the window down. So, but now that we got a couple more days to go, I'll be able to roll down the window and it wouldn't be an issue. But I don't know if you guys could tell, but there's a crack on that windshield. You probably won't be able to see it, but that's the reason why I didn't get the front. So hopefully sometime down the line I'll get it. I'm probably gonna wait till it either cracks more or maybe I get over it and I just replace it and then tint the windshield. But for right now, we just got the two sides and then the back one tinted. Another thing that we ended up doing, I'll insert the clip right here, is we ended up polishing up the headlights. They were super yellow, so we did polish them in the meantime until I get new ones. I am going to be replacing those guys, so stay tuned for that. But for now, give them a little polish, it look a little bit better. It's not great, but a little better. And then I remember last night when I drove home, I could see a lot more. Before I couldn't really see anything, and now I could actually see the light. But we're gonna get that changed. It still has the yellow lights. I either want to do HIDs or LEDs, I'm not sure yet. So we'll put some new lights there, and then we'll change the style of the headlight too. One thing I did notice when we were polishing the headlights is that there's supposed to be a little metal piece right here that hangs on to that keeps the headlights from moving and flying out. But as you can see, it didn't have one, so we did a little improvise, put zip ties. The other part is broken, but this one over here, I put in a zip tie here, another zip tie here, just in the meantime until I go to the junkyard and find those two pieces. And then you gotta do the little tacuache Mickey Mouse shit, you know. And the final thing that we actually did do was we actually did change the oil, like I showed you guys in the other clip. But what we noticed is it was leaking a little bit of oil, but in the drain plug I had the wrong one, so we changed it, we put the right one. Hopefully that prevents it from leaking more oil. So we'll see how it goes. I'll check up on it in a couple of days, and hopefully it's not leaking any more oil, and if it is, then we'll try to figure out what's wrong with it. So yeah guys, we ended up getting all the maintenance done with the truck. I changed the oil. I ended up fixing the issue I had with the AC. We changed the drain plug from the oil too, so it wouldn't, hopefully doesn't leak any more oil after that. We ended up getting tint done, and then installing the new rims and tires. So stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna be trying to upload every week. There's gonna be more upgrades hopefully next week. And if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and give it a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos coming soon. Have a good day.